Okay, so let's solve this question where we have double modulus. So we have x minus 3. This is equals to x plus 1. Okay, so how do we solve such an equation? We just square both sides. Okay, so this will be x3 squared is equals to 1 plus, x plus 1, and then squared. Okay, so this one here will be, what did I write a 3 here? So this one here should be a squared. Okay, so let's square this. So it will be x multiplied by x squared, x multiplied by minus 3 to be minus 3x, then 3 multiplied by minus 3 multiplied by x to be minus 3, and then plus 9 is equals to x squared. Okay, and then we have x multiplied by 1, which will just be plus x, and then x multiplied by 1 multiplied by x to be plus x, and then plus 1. So this is what I have as my equation. Okay, so like terms together, so we're going to have x squared minus 6x plus 9 is equals to x squared plus 2x and then plus 1. So this is what we have, right? So take all of these numbers to the same side. We are going to have x squared minus x squared minus 6x minus 2x plus 9, then minus what? 1 is equals to 0. So if I can move a bit up here, that would be x squared minus x squared. This will go. Okay, minus 6x minus 2x, I'm going to get minus 8x, and then plus 9 minus 1, that would be what? That would be plus 8 is equals to 0. So minus 8x is equals to minus 8, and then you divide by minus 8, divide by minus 8. So it means our x is just going to be equals to what? Our x is going to be equals to 1. Okay, so this here is our answer, and that's the end of this video.